Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete pins in Pinterest. It's pretty simple. Open Pinterest and click on your profile picture at the bottom right. It is going to bring you to your profile. Over here, make sure you're on the pins section. Once you're in the pin section, you can click on over here whichever pin you want to delete. Once you click on the pin, click on the three dot right above the pin. Click on edit pin. From inside edit pin, you will see the option delete this pin. Click on it. Click on delete. The pin will be deleted. Now, if you're trying to delete the pin which you created or the picture which you uploaded in Pinterest, it is going to be a bit different. To delete your pin, you need to click on created by you at the top and then click the picture you want to delete and click on the three dot again, click on edit pin, but this time click on the dustbin icon at the bottom left corner, click on delete, and the pin which you uploaded will be deleted. That is how you guys can delete pins in Pinterest. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys next time.